everyone doesn't want to use a company that's broke and needs work. So you need to stay, just like you don't want to date a girl that needs a boyfriend. You want the girl that has lots of options and she chose you. So desperation is like definitely one of the things that's gonna hinder any company from making a sale.
But doesn't that contradict to what we're just saying about kind of like begging for work whenever you're starting?
Well, like when I'm shaking someone's hand, I'm going, dude, I'm the hungriest guy around here. Give me one chance. All I need is a chance. He's right there. Like he's in the shop. I'm talking to him. I'm shaking his hand. I'm going, he's asking me questions like maybe. He's on the fence. He's going, God, that's a lot more expensive than the guy I went to last time. That's why when I say that, I'm making dead eye contact. It's an energy, like I want it. And so you're totally right that there's a time and a place for different strategies. When I got a guy right in front of me and he's got his checkbook with him and I'm this close to closing, I'm gonna say, look, forget about the stats, forget about the reviews. Here's what I'm telling you, man to man. No one wants your business as much as I do. Give me one chance. If you don't like it, by all means, never come back. But I guarantee you, I'm gonna make you happy. I've always had a rainy day special, meaning you schedule when the rain is falling, you get 20% off. Why? Because no one thinks about window tinting when it's raining out.
Yes.
Now, people know about that schedule and go, hey, I saw the rainy day special yesterday. Can I still get that? Go, nope, it's not raining. I'm very strict about it literally raining because yes, I'm willing to give 20% out, but when it's raining, when it's raining.
Same day or no?
No, you just have to schedule with a deposit.
With a deposit.
So I know it's guaranteed. But that's not the best strategy. That's an old strategy. It's not the best. My preferred is, you're not gonna like it because you just mentioned it, is an email send. So how many emails do you have? Customer emails that have one point in time been customers.
Probably like 700.
Dude, that's a lot.
And then between my two Gold High Levels accounts, probably like 2,000.
Dude, that's a lot. So the best strategy is to send an email. We just had a cancellation. If you can come in today, we only have one spot available. So everyone that's reading the email, we only have one spot available. And if you could take that spot, we'll give you 20% off. But it's today because we had a cancellation. Even if we didn't have a cancellation, we say we had a cancellation only today. Like when I need a job today. Not looking for next week. That's a different strategy.
Right.
If you can fill it today, call us and we'll give you 20% off. The other strategy we have is a physical sign that we physically put out that says 20% off, but we don't put it out every day. We literally only put it out when we need work.
Put it out on the big street.
Yeah, on the main street, yeah. I had a customer ask me last week, hey, I know the sign's not out, but I see it out from time to time. Can you do it anyways? I go, no. I want you to actually feel like you have to come in when you see the sign. I want the public to be going, I'm just waiting for that sign to come out. The day that sign comes out, I'm gonna go in.
Exactly.
Like I want them to know it's real. It's not just like a sales pitch.
Not another sale, yeah.
It's when the sign is out, that day and that day only, we will give you 20% off.
Yeah.